Venus Temple. A small temple stands today outside the Roman medieval sacred area. This separation is due to the fact that during the medieval period, how are you, sir? Wonderful. And Jupiter and the Bacchus. The temple was transformed into a citadel, but it was during the Roman period this area was separated from the neighboring sanctuaries by colonnaded street inside the area, delimited by this another colonnaded street running south, were built temple of Venus and Muses. Yes, all of these things are names to me. What is really important is what's left of the history. And my subject of translation of what it is very much about how and how much effort is put in to raise these rubbled or broken down structures through destruction of our own conduct and our own behavior.